Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to share about to be understanding on the situations. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to add connect pages. First of all, what you're gonna do is about to be satisfied with the progress. You actually start about to do it with that is really to be very good and important to be doing this situation, as you can think that it's possible about to go with adding more pages. So we can see right here we add more pages. You can start to go to hold the control and click each page. Now once you do that, right click. Okay, now what we're gonna do after you connect these pages, really, if we add a circle on here and added this kind of thing over here, so maybe we can see the connecting pages is really through the prototype. Hold that and then starting with, okay, control A and control C. Okay, so this really not going to be better. If you want to connect pages together, you can control A and then go on page one and then control V, and this will absolutely how you start to connect these pages.